all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your new leads as a subscriber inside Pabbly email marketing. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of subscribers for free into your Pabbly email marketing using Pabbly Connect. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like Pabbly Connect, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Also, I'll suggest you that this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So do check it out. This can be really helpful for you and it can give you a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads because I'm collecting the lead details using Google Ads. So I'm just going to search for the same and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect, and now it is giving me the web URL. So just copy this web URL and open your Google Ads campaign. In this campaign, make sure that you have added the lead form. As you can see that I have already added my lead form, and I'm just going to connect this lead form with Pabbly Connect. For that, scroll in this lead form and you're going to see the option of this lead delivery. Open this and you're going to see the option to enter the webhook URL. So just simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow right over here. For the key, enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent. So open your workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the test data right over here. Be it name, be it email address, be it phone number or the company name. The details which you have selected right over here will be captured automatically. So as you can see that we have successfully captured the data. Now you have two options. The first option is click on this recapture webhook response and then wait until you receive your lead in real time. The second option is follow me, create this automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. And in order to do this, just click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Pabbly email marketing and select Pabbly email marketing V2. It is very important that you select V2 right over here. For the event, select it as add subscriber and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pabbly email marketing and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, just open your Pabbly email marketing account. From the left hand of the side, go on the settings and then API and webhooks. Once you're on this API and webhooks section, you're going to see the API key. So let's wait for a few seconds. Once you're on this section, you're going to see the API key. So let's wait for a few seconds, and as you're going to see that here is your bearer token, which is the API key. So just copy your API key and paste it right over here in your workflow and then click on this save, and your Pabbly email marketing account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the email address, which is the email address of my lead. So simply enter it, but you don't have to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map these details, but in order to map these details, what you have to do is you have to put a slash and search for the detail you wish to map and select it right over here. It is asking for many another details, but all of these details are not required. So I've only entered the details which are required or the details which I had of my lead. Now it is asking for the list, so just select the list right over here. It is saying custom fields. So here you can map or enter the comma separated custom fields, and for that you have to switch on this mapping button, and let's say you want to enter the company name. So you have to type company name, put enter, and then you're going to see that a field of company name will be generated. And if you want to enter multiple custom fields, just enter comma separated value right over here like this. I'm just going to leave it as blank, so I'm just going to switch off and then switch on this mapping button and leave this field as blank. After doing this, I'm just going to click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received the positive response. It is saying subscriber created successfully. Alright, so let's open up Pabbly email marketing. From the left hand of the site, I'm just going to go towards the subscribers section, and you're going to see this subscriber is added right over here. It is saying added by API. Not only this, you're going to see the same first name, same last name, and the same email address. Let's look for the subscriber details, and you're going to see the mobile number is also the same. And with this, we have successfully created this automation where whenever we're going to receive a new lead, automatically that lead will be added into my Pabbly email marketing as a subscriber. And then further, I can create multiple email campaigns and target these subscribers and convert them into paying clients. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering the free trial of Pabbly Connect and as well as Pabbly email marketing. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.